Okay, can't guarantee that we'll be doing one of these every day, but I'm going to try. Day one, short, sweet, but one of my favorite winter beverages, and that is a peppermint patty. I'm just going to show you how we made it. We're going to go switch right over into the kitchen with David doing most of the work so I could videotape him. Enjoy. So, tonight, day one, hot chocolate with Rumplminz. This is my favorite winter drink. It's called a peppermint patty by many bartenders. So if you're in a bar, you can ask for it. We are about to make sort of fancy hot chocolate. Swiss Miss powder will work just fine. The key is use half and half or whole milk, not water. Even though the things on the packet might say may say water, mix with whole milk. It makes for a much better hot chocolate. All right, how many ounces of chocolate do we need?
25 grams.
25 grams. These are Belgian chocolate. What are these things called anyway? They're basically
Haribo finest Belgian chocolate.
Yeah, and you can get this on Amazon. I'll put a link down in the info. They look like chocolate chips, and we've had these a while. I would recommend keeping them in the fridge. We did not, and we should have. All right. We also have something called, I think, is this called a velvetizer? Is that what this is called? We have a machine called a velvetizer, also available online. During COVID, we felt really sorry for ourselves, and I believe we bought it for ourselves as a Valentine's Day present. You can put milk in this thing, but you can also do it if you have a milk frother. It works very much the same. In fact, I prefer this to froth milk than I do the old milk frothers. Works the same though, just put it in there. In a milk frother, you just don't want the agitation, so you take out the little discs.
And put in a little more liquid than the maximum line, because I know it seems to work better that way.
Yeah, so it starts like that, frothing your milk, and then you're going to slowly, once it really gets going, add in your chocolate bits. You wait for it to heat up first.
Yeah, well, I normally stick a thermometer in when it gets to 90.
Oh my God, that is unnecessary. But I have a freak for a husband that
knows how to use a thermometer.
It's too much work, and you have to wash a thermometer. There, so, oh, you hear it?
The sound will get softer when it
melts.
When it starts melting, yes.
I have been known to just dump them all in, and sometimes it works and sometimes it doesn't. Sometimes it gets a little angry. There you go. It's getting warmer, so the sound changes a lot quicker now. So about 4 or 5 batches, maybe 4. And we're going to turn a nice milk chocolate. Lid on. It is tinted, the lid. I'm going to put my hot chocolate today in my Iceland mug. That was one of my vacation souvenirs. And I'm going to mix it with Rumplminz. If you want a non-alcoholic version, putting a good glug of a peppermint syrup that you can get like at your local cash and carry is an alternative. There. It'll stop going when it's done. I guess in the meantime I could pour out my Rumplminz. Okay, a shot of Rumplminz. Into the cup. And the chocolate when it finishes on top. Pour that in on top of my hot chocolate, or on top of my Rumplminz. And then top with whipped cream, because you know, you got to make it fancy. We have like one of these machines that we very rarely use, but when we get it out, we use it. There we go. Now, if I had some chocolate peppermint candies, I'd add those, but I don't have any right now. So I'm going to drink it as is after I clean off that. All right. All right, I hope you enjoyed that. As a matter of fact, David usually makes my nighttime hot chocolate, and I normally pour my jigger in because I'm the only one capable of putting that much booze into a drink. But it's super tasty. I have it here. Let me give you a cheers. Cheers. Gonna drink it. Quite minty and delicious. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. I am going to do my best to get you a video every day until Christmas. In the meantime, drink some peppermint patties on me and let me know in the comments. Bye.